If you are looking for how to convert grams to kg in Excel, then don't skip this video. So use the convert function. So simply you need to put the equal sign and type convert, bracket open, give the cell reference, double quote, and since you are converting grams to kg, so first you need to give the G for grams abbreviation and then comma, double quote and kg, double quote, bracket close, hit enter and drag the fill handles and increase the decimals. So here you can see that the grammage conversion to the kg. And simultaneously, if you want to convert kg to grams, then what you have to do is put the equal sign, use the convert function, bracket open, select the cell reference, double quote, kg, double quote, double comma, double quote, gram, double quote, and hit. And here you can convert kg to grams. So I hope you understand how you can do that. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching.